Here's why getting inspections done prior to listing will save you time, stress, money, and even a potentially canceled contract. Now, it is customary for buyers to pay for their own inspections, but by doing so, you're handing over some of your power as a seller to the buyers. For example, let's say you get a full price offer, you're super excited, you open escrow, buyer sends in their deposit, everything seems great. The inspection period starts. The buyers choose to do a pest inspection, a home inspection. They check the septic, they check the well. They get the reports back and there's $20,000 worth of pest repairs and the leach field doesn't receive water. Now the buyer has the power. The buyers sit down with their buyer's agent and they draft up what's called a request for repairs. On that request for repairs, they're requesting that you as the seller pay for the $20,000 on the pest report and to repair the leach field. Now, you as the seller obviously has the ability to say, no, I'm not doing that, or I'll give you a price reduction, or I'll give you a seller credit at closing. You can still negotiate, but there's a good chance that the deal is hinging on your response. Had you had that information up front, you could have listed your house with those reports up front so any buyer that came in knew, hey, this is what the house is listed for and this is the work that needs to be done. Or you could have started knocking some items off the list so that long list of repairs is a little more palatable. Don't allow the inspection period to be a ticking time bomb. Put yourself in the shoes of a buyer. Think of all the reports and inspections that you would want done and get them done.